Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are parting out a Kawasaki police bike. This is a 91 KZ1000 police bike, and we're going to show that it runs and everything. Seat needs recovered. The front brake actually does work. It has 52,000 miles on it. The right exhaust looks very bad. Been welded together. The left side exhaust looks really good. We put a set of 1000 LTD carburetors on it just to get it started. We changed the oil, the filter, and the spark plugs. Now we're gonna have to start it with a jumper battery, maybe. And I think the main thing we're concerned with is, does it run or not? But there's no broken fins on the cylinder, no broken fins on the head. This would be probably a good motor for another police bike, or perhaps just a street bike or whatever. So we'll be parting this out. So we're gonna start it up right now. Okay, Kenny, let's start it up. Okay. Let's see the smoke. Could be some fine tuning. We're going to show you how it runs with a heat gun. So we're going to take the temperature of all the cylinders. Probably has a good flywheel and everything. It's running kind of rough. There's no fine tuning. Plus it's missing the airbox rubbers right here. So I'm gonna show you that the transmission's good and everything. Shift's good. It didn't seem to smoke.
It's not smoking.
And we got the original key switch and everything. The speedometer and tachometer not working. We don't really know why. We just haven't tried to get them going. So we're going to be parting this motorcycle out. So if there's any interest out there, let us know. Okay, thanks. Okay, also we have the side covers. Looks like original paint, but there's a tab busted off each one of them. So this is the right, it's missing this tab right here. This is the one for the left, and the tab's been repaired, but it's missing. And the gas tank seems like it's decent. It has rust in it. We could probably, if someone was interested, we could probably test it to make sure it didn't leak and probably clean it out maybe. Then we have the fairing over here. It still has the bracket on the front. And then if you look at it closely here, we have the place for the spotlights, the bulb here. This doesn't appear to be too bad, and I'm sure it's original paint. But anyway, if you need one, it's a lot better than nothing. It looks like it's had some extra holes in it, probably from police equipment earlier. A couple holes here, a couple holes here, and here, but this is definitely restorable, to say the least. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and it's all available. Take care.